What's up, y'all, boy? Welcome back to the channel. You feel me? This is another little gun video. You feel me? Nothing too crazy. I just ordered something off of Amazon. Y'all know if I find like cool little finds on Amazon for the Glock, I'm gonna show it to y'all because that's like what I'm trying to make my whole part of my whole little niche. You feel me? Finding little gun mods and stuff on Amazon, something that everybody or anybody can buy when they first get into the gun game. It ain't gotta be the most extravagant pieces. It ain't gotta be the most popular pieces. It ain't gotta be, you feel me, none of that. You can still have your gun look nice and modded out for a very low cost, you feel me? So like I said, that's one of my specialties is Amazon gun finds for the Glock 19, you feel me? So I already took it out the box, but let me show y'all what I just got in a couple days ago. It's a little grip, little silicone grip, you feel me? I think this silicone, I don't know if it's silicone or rubber, but you get the picture. It's a little grip that I'm about to put on the handle of the Glock. I like how it feels a lot. I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was gonna feel like plastic when I got it, but it don't. It feels like rubber, you feel me? It feels grippable. So this was only $11 on Amazon. It just came by itself. It didn't come with nothing else, nothing fancy. The reason I got this, I'm not gonna lie, is because it's camouflage. I just thought it looked kind of cool being camouflage. The original one I was gonna buy the handle it grips, which is if you got like guns and you got handguns or any type of gun and you use sandpaper grips, you probably heard of handle it grips. Handle it grips and Talon grips are like the most popular ones that you're gonna find for real. But yeah, you feel me? This is what I got today, you feel me? I think this look real cool with this camo. I like how the camo is like black, green, and gray with like an olive green in there too. It's like, it's not that common to see a camo that really look like this. Like, it low-key make the Glock look like a toy, even though it ain't a toy, because that bitch, you feel me? So I'm about to try to put this on camera. I don't know if it's gonna work. But we finna see, man. I feel like it seemed a little tight, like it don't really got no give. So I'm gonna try my best to get it on there. But you know how I go. You know how Dussei go on his channel. Safety first. So we're gonna go ahead and drop that mag out. Make sure it's clear, ain't nothing in the head. And then I'm gonna try to go ahead and put this thing on there. So the way it look like it go on is like this. Yeah, that's how I go on, because it got the little opening for where the grooves at, for where the finger grooves at. And then yeah, if you turn it to the side, you can see how it's lined up. It's basically the exact same shape of the handle. And after I get it on, I'm gonna tell y'all a couple of things that I like as far as my first impressions, some things I do and some things that I don't like about the grip, just off of first impressions, you feel me? Obviously, I'm gonna have to go to the range, shoot it a little bit, see how it feels in hand, but just off of first impressions, as far as aesthetic, like, you know, the visual appeal and just how it holds, like the tactility of it in my hand, I'm gonna let y'all know once I get it on here. So I'm trying to, I keep looking at my hand because I feel like I'm ashy, but fuck them. So I think it go on like this, and the gun is unloaded, you feel me? Y'all saw me unload it and clear it. You want to make sure that your gun is unloaded before you start doing all this like fumbling around with it. Like, even though I don't have it pointed towards me, even though I got it upside down like this, like, you never want to be too careful, man. You could never be too careful. Better to be too careful than not careful enough, you feel me? And something happens. So let me go ahead and put this thing on there. And then soon, I think, because like I told y'all a long time ago when I first started making these videos, I'm going to mod this one out how I want it. And then I'm going to go get another strap and start modding that. And then I'm going to just build my collection off of that. So like I said, I appreciate all y'all who be watching my little videos or whatever. I just started in 2023 this year. It's December 2023 right now. So I just started. I'm pretty new to this. But like I said, I'm gonna keep giving y'all content. And I know I haven't been that consistent. There's been like a couple months in between with my gun videos, But I promise 2024 coming with straight consistency. The channel is monetized now. So that give me a little incentive, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm getting paid for the videos now. So make sure y'all drop them super chats. $1.99, that's all it take, you feel me? But yeah, let me go ahead and get this thing on here all the way, because I'm over here playing and shit, talking to y'all. Let me make sure I get this hoe all the way on y'all. Damn, that bit hard. I guess that's a good thing that it's hard to put on, because that means it's gonna be hard to come off, you feel me? It's not just gonna slip off just because it's Tuesday, you feel me? So, and I kind of like got a pet peeve about things being crooked or not on all the way, so that's why I'm really trying to make sure that it's on how I like it. But yeah, I think I got it on for the most part. I think that's as good as it's gonna get. You feel me? Let's see how it looks with the magazine in there. Like I said, I did take the magazine out. It's clear, nothing in it. Yeah, that's how it's looking. That's how it's looking. You feel me? This how the little first Glock build is coming along. I think I'm gonna end up, one of the homies told me about a spot that he know in Burbank that sells slides. Like, they sell all the mod pieces. So I think I'm finna go hit that gun store. And I think I'm finna, yeah, I think I'm really finna tee up with this, for real. I like black though. Like, I don't really want no color. Like, I like the grip being colorful, but I don't really think I want too much colorful stuff. Like, I'm not gonna get like a red slide and like a blue trigger. Like, I'm not finna do all that. It's gonna be black for the most part, but then have like a little accent or something. I'm gonna probably change the trigger color though. But yeah, this how it's looking, y'all. What y'all think? For $11 gun grip off of Amazon, what y'all think? Let me know. You feel me? It feels good in the hand, to be honest. I know y'all don't like when I do that. Y'all don't like when I be pointing the gun at the camera, but what is gonna come through the phone? But anyway, off of first impressions, one thing I noticed that I do like about it is, like I said, the feel. Like, it feels like a nice rubber material that really does help me grip it. Like, I'm really only holding it with 2 fingers. I can, like that. Good grip. It's not slipping out my hand. I think it could have used a little bit more coverage, meaning I feel like the back lip could have came up a little higher to the beaver tail. I know when you usually look at rubber or silicone grips, that back, it come up a little higher to where I can feel it even on the webbing of my hand like that. So that's something that does bother me a little bit. I might end up even changing this grip out. I just bought it because I just seen it on Amazon when I was buying some other stuff off Amazon. So I just seen it and was like, I'm gonna get it, just see what it look like on the Glock. But I'm gonna probably end up getting some sandpaper grips too, and then doing a comparison on if I like this rubber grip better or the sandpaper grips that I'm gonna end up trying out too. But like I said, for $11, it's not bad. As y'all can see, it has like these little cutouts for where these humps are that go along with the finger grooves. I think that's pretty cool too. So it helps it lay flush against the handle of the gun. Yeah, that's the little $11 Amazon gun grip that I bought in this funky camo color. Let me know if y'all like it. Let me know if y'all don't like it. Put y'all opinions down in the comments. Y'all know every time I get a new piece, I gotta do my little dance on that hoe. You gotta do that little dance on that hoe. Yeah. Strobe on that boy. Strobe on that boy. I ain't got the strobe light on today, but y'all know what I'm talking about. Yeah, man. And I think it's pretty cool, bro. I think it's pretty cool. Yeah. Let me know what else y'all think I should do to this down in the comment section. I appreciate y'all watching my videos. Like y'all, if y'all watch my channel, y'all probably see that I drop gun content and car content. I've been dropping a lot of vlogs and stuff too, but I'm really trying to take this channel a lot more seriously now. I'm really trying to niche my channel down, so I think it's gonna only be gun videos, gun education, gun modification, shooting, teaching people how to shoot, all of that. And I'm gonna stop playing around with y'all, you feel me? So let me know if that's something y'all think would be pretty cool for me to really specifically only focus on gun content, and that's what I'm gonna do for y'all. I do have another channel where all my vlogs and stuff is gonna go from now on. That's called Vlogs by Dussei. That's Vlogs by Dussei, Dussei. That's my new vlog channel. This is still gonna be my main channel. My gun channel is my main channel. And if you go check out the Vlogs by Dussei, that's where you'll see like all the little everyday life stuff that I be doing from now on. I'm gonna leave the ones up on this page that I already got, but going forward, y'all know where to find it at, you feel me? Yeah, Big Glock 19. What gun y'all think I should get next? Because I'm gonna get a couple of guns in 2024, really start upping the collection and everything. This is the first one in the collection as far as the California compliant guns go, you feel me? So yeah, man, big boy Glock 19. I'm thinking about getting a Glock 23 40 cal next so I can dual wield them bitches, you feel me? But yeah, let me know what y'all think, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Let me not do that. I was playing. I was just playing. I ain't mean to point the gun at y'all like that. But like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all drop a super chat. Turn on post notifications and go subscribe to my vlog channel.
Yeah, give me the loot. Follow the suit. Screaming out gang, 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 rolling with the crew. Give me the juice. Pour me a two. I'm with the gang, 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 rolling in the coops.